Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Notebook Maths. Today I am going to solve some important questions from exercise 9B from chapter differentiation of intermediate first year 1B Maths. Okay, I have written these two questions, log of tan phi x and second one is log of sine inverse e power x. Okay, so solve this question. Solution is given we have to take, first of all, given what we have to take as y equal to log of okay log of tan phi x we have to take as y. Okay, now we have to find the differentiation of this function given y. So we have to differentiate this with respect to, I am writing here, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, now d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of log of tan phi x. Okay, got it? Now we have to differentiate. Okay, now dy by dx, this becomes dy by dx, and d by dx of log of tan x means what? Log of x is 1 by x. So like that, log x is 1 by x, log of tan phi x is 1 by tan phi x. Okay, next we have another x term, that is tan phi x. Then tan of d by dx of tan phi x we have to differentiate. Again we have d by dx of this phi x term. So we have to differentiate each and every term of x. First we have to differentiate log, then tan, then phi x. Okay, three terms are there, different terms are there, log and tan, phi x. Okay, now we are going to differentiate these two terms. First one is log of tan x, we got 1 by tan phi x, I am writing as it is, into d by dx of tan phi x means tan of x is sec square, secant square x means here phi x is there, I am writing. Okay, d by dx of phi x, again we have to differentiate. Phi x term is phi only, we get constant. Okay, now what here we have? Phi secant square phi x, sec square phi x, tan phi x. Okay, now we can write sec square as 1 by cos square x. So phi by sec square is phi x, 1 by cos square phi x, into tan is can be written as sin by cos, sin phi x by cos phi x. Okay, like this. So take this cos x, single term cos x cancel. What is cos phi x? Cos phi x into sin phi x we will remain with. Okay, now we have another formula, that is sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is the formula we are going to get here. So sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. Here also sin phi and cos phi x are there. In theta we have phi x here. Okay, but 2 is not there. So multiply and divide with 2. Okay, in denominator we have to multiply and divide with 2 here to get this formula form 2. Okay, what you will get? Here 5 into 2 becomes 10. Okay, writing directly 10, and 2 sin phi x and cos phi x. So now we can write it as in short form the formula, that is sin 2 theta, that is sin 2 into theta plus, I have said already, theta we have phi x. So 2 into theta means phi x, that is 10 by sin 10x. Okay, this 10 sin 10x can be written as 1 by sin, that is cosec x. Cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. Please learn formulas before going to problems. Okay, now 10 into cosec 10x is the solution for this question. Now dy by dx, what we have obtained here? 10 cos 10x, 10 cosec 10x. Okay children, I think you got it clearly. Now next problem, that is log of sine inverse e power x. log of sine inverse e power x. As we know already, given we have to take as y equal to log of sine inverse e power x is given. This is from exercise 9b, I think. Yeah, 9b exercise problems I am doing here. Okay, so now dy by dx, already we know that differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so dy by dx, d by dx of log of sine inverse e power x. Okay, so d by dx of log of sine inverse x is 1 by sine inverse x e power x. Okay, into d by dx of what we have, log of sine inverse x completed, and now d by dx of sine inverse x e power x. Again we have another term d by dx of e power x. So each and every term we have to differentiate. Okay, now 1 by sine inverse x e power x into d by dx of sine inverse e power x. Sine inverse x means what? This is x. Sine inverse x, we know the formula, that is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. X square means here e power x whole square. Okay, 1 by 1 minus x square. Here sine inverse x means we have in place of x e power x is there. So I have written here x square means e power x square. Okay, into d by dx of e power x is always e power x is only. Okay, now simplify this step. E power x by sine inverse e power x into under root 1 minus e power 2x. Okay, we will write it as also 2x or e power x is whole square. Okay, this is the final solution, children. E power x by sine inverse e power x into under root 1 minus e power x whole square also we can write. Okay, this is dy by dx. Okay, like this we have to solve, children, every problem. We have to simplify and we have to differentiate each and every term. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos on math topics. Thank you.